Hello student, today I am going to discuss with you about a new and very important topic, that is subject and predicate. Subject and predicate. Subject म्हणजेच उद्देश आणि predicate म्हणजे विधेय. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपल्याला माहिती आहे सब्जेक्ट अँड प्रेडिकेट हे वाक्यातले अतिशय महत्त्वाचे भाग आहेत. मीन्स एव्हरी सेंटेन्स contains these two important parts. One of them is subject and another is predicate. उद्देश आणि विधेय म्हणजे काय हे आपण आजच्या या व्हिडिओ मधून शिकणार आहोत. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, subject of a sentence is a part which names the person or thing etc. म्हणजे वाक्यातील ज्या भागामध्ये व्यक्ती आणि वस्तू यांचा समावेश असतो त्याला आपण सब्जेक्ट म्हणतो, आणि वाक्यातल्या ज्या भागात त्या सब्जेक्ट बाबतची अधिक माहिती सांगितली जाते त्याला आपण विधेय असं म्हणतो. म्हणजे रिमेनिंग पार्ट जो असतो वाक्यातला त्याला विधेय म्हणजेच प्रेडिकेट असं म्हटलं जातं. आता आपण प्रत्यक्षात उदाहरणांच्या साहाय्यानेच सब्जेक्ट अँड प्रेडिकेट शोधू. So note that subject and predicates in each of the following sentences. Suppose sentence is given to you as the dog was barking loudly. Consider the dog was barking loudly. The dog was barking loudly. First step to find out subject and predicate. Which is first step? Ask the question who or what. Before asking question, find out verb. The dog was barking loudly. Here verb is was. And then you are going to ask a question, who is barking loudly? Who was barking loudly? At that time, our answer is the dog. Our answer is the dog. And that's why the dog is subject here. And the remaining part is predicate here. Means the dog is subject and remaining part was barking loudly is predicate here. It's quite simple thing. Which is quite simple thing? How to find out subject and predicate? First step is identify the verb. Second is ask the question. Which question? Who or what? Subject is the answer of two questions, who or what. Then third step is the answer of the question gives you subject. The answer of the question gives you subject, and then remaining part is the predicate. So let's see the more examples as. Suppose another sentence is, honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. How to find out subject and predicate? First step is to find out the verb. Which is verb here? Is. Very good. Is the verb here. Then second part is that to ask the question as What is the best policy? Means honesty is the best policy. That's why honesty is subject here. And remaining part of the sentence is predicate here. Suppose another example. She goes to school every day. She goes to school every day. How to find out subject here? First step is to find out verb. Which is verb? Goes is verb here. That's why goes to school every day is predicate here. And who goes to school every day? She goes to school every day, and that's why she is subject here. Student, take more examples. As suppose another example is as they go home in the evening. They go home in the evening. They go home in the evening. First step is to find out one, who go home in the evening. At that time answer is they, and that's why they is subject here. And remaining part of the sentence is predicate. अशा प्रकारे आपल्याला वाक्यातील सब्जेक्ट आणि प्रेडिकेट ओळखता येते. अगदी सोपी गोष्ट आहे. वाक्यात जे क्रियापद आलेलं असतं ते जर ओळखता आलं आपल्याला तर आपले एक काम अगदी सोपं होऊन जातं की वाक्यात क्रियापद जे आलंय त्या क्रियापदाला जर आपण प्रश्न विचारला व्हॉट आणि हू ने आणि त्या प्रश्नाचं उत्तर जे काही आपल्याला मिळतं ते त्या वाक्यातलं सब्जेक्ट असतं आणि त्या सब्जेक्ट बाबत अधिक माहिती देणारा वाक्यातला जो काही भाग असतो त्याला विधेय असं म्हणतात, प्रेडिकेट असं म्हणतात. या दोन गोष्टी आपण कायम लक्षात ठेवायच्या आणि वाक्यातील सब्जेक्ट आणि प्रेडिकेट या पद्धतीने शोधायचं आहे. आजच्या भागात याच ठिकाणी आपण थांबणार आहोत. थँक्यू.